blessing that I don't give enough credit for, I think, but it surely is something I am thankful for. Jack, on the other hand, well, she has fibromyalgia and PTSD. That's CPTSD. Look it up. It's capital C-PTSD. Hello, dog. You came back in here. Food. So she healed much more slowly than usual. And her surgery was 6 weeks ago today, I think. So her incision is healed up enough that she can get in the hot tub. Hot tub. That was a splurge. We'd been here about a year, and it was coming up to Black Friday. Now, I usually don't do anything on Black Friday. One, I don't have a lot of money to go out there and spend. More aluminum, another plastic bottle. Out. You don't belong in the kitchen. Out.
But Mom.
Hey, no, out. Black Friday. We wanted this hot tub. And we went to the company that sells them, and they had one that was just exactly what we wanted. Someone had special ordered it. Out. Out. No, you do not put it out. Not a single paw in the kitchen. No. Someone, where was it? Oh, okay. Someone had special ordered this hot tub and then decided they didn't want out. They weren't going to get it.
Move it.
That's Jack calling the dog. Out!
Move it.
Go in there to her. Go. Go. So it was discounted because this person decided they weren't going to take it. And then it was discounted for Black Friday. And it was discounted because it was excess stock, and there was another discount of some sort on it. And I said, pretty please, and they threw in all the extras that go with it. So I got it for a really good price, and I don't remember how much that was, so I can't tell you. Anyway, that is one thing that can soothe Jack's pain, is getting into the hot tub. And tonight is the first time she'll be in it since surgery. My water isn't running out of the sink. Oh, it's got all sorts of cruddies in the strainer. Huh. I'll lift up the edge and hopefully those cruddies won't go down the drain. Plug the drain. Last thing I need is plugged up drain. So, Paul, how long is this video right now?
13 minutes, 25 seconds.
Okay, we're going to go for another 7, 8, 9 minutes or so. If y'all can stand me. Got to get the cruddies out of the sink first. Well,
What are
that's
you
working.
doing?
I'm washing dishes and filming this thing for YouTube.
Oh.
What do you think? Someone want to listen to my stupid ramblings?
I don't know.
Probably not. So, to all 2 or 3 of the viewers that happen upon this video,
Please share.
bear with me. It might get better.
Right.
It might.
You watch on YouTube? Please share it on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
Paul is a salesman, if you haven't guessed. So you're going to get the real live us, living in our double wide, planting flowers, whatever, I don't know. Surprise me. Tell me what you want me to talk about. Tell me about your life and your problems. We all got problems. Plenty of room to share them. Got all sorts of things going on in our lives. Just trying to get... First time my son heard me say that, shocked the heckins out of him. See, I started to cuss right there and I caught it. I didn't do it. Okay, I got this strainer full of gunk that I gotta get rid of. That's better. Not good, but better. And one piece of a green bean that's down there in the strainer. Okay, got that out.
Hey, we don't waste green beans here.
Well, there was only a piece of one piece of a piece, you know?
It's supposed to be eaten, not...
I agree, green beans are good. We got some fresh green beans in there we need to snap.
Yep.
You're getting leftover spaghetti for dinner tonight. Did you guys ever eat last night?
I did, yeah.
You did.
Yeah. I don't know if Robert did. I have no idea.
Robert is very quiet. I might talk about him. Very private, I meant. I said the wrong word. Hey, I'm old. That happens. Deal with it. So Robert is very shy, so he will never be on the video, I think. Robert. He doesn't want to appear, and I will respect that. And I might talk about him some, but I won't talk about him much, because again, he just really is uncomfortable with the whole thing. So, okay. Paul, you're not uncomfortable, are you? No.
Nope.
I don't know if Jack is uncomfortable or not. I don't think she wants me airing the dirty laundry, really.
You get old enough, you just don't give a darn anymore.
Well, yeah, we get old and our rules change. Gotta get more soap in that water. It's all... Wait a minute, let me take some of that out.
Yeah, you get the attitude. If you don't like it, you can kiss it.
Yeah. If you don't care for what's on here, well, you're free to complain.
Yep.
No cuss words, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Comments can be ugly, but no cussing. So what you see is what we got. Usually the kitchen doesn't get this bad.
No, it normally doesn't.
But every morning I look this bad. Haven't washed my hair or combed my hair yet. What is it? Afternoon or
Something
almost?
like that.
Oops, that's still greasy. Let's add more
I looked
soap.
worse than you 2 hours ago. I don't know what you were talking about. I look horrible. Hair in every different direction.
Well, folks, I'm going to call it quits here. I got a lot more dishes to wash, and I'm going to make Paul come over here and rinse and dry them. Don't make so sad face to me. It doesn't work. And probably in a week or so, we'll be putting up another video. This is our first one. So you all have a nice... Oh, stop making faces at me.
That's what I wanted. Yes.
So hope things are going okay for you folks. And meanwhile, the four of us and our new little 6-month-old doggy keep on getting by as best we can in our double wide. Take care.